What's going on, peoples? We are here, man. Getting off of work. Busy week. So far this week, I did 45 stops. It's been a rough week, man. The reason I'm making this video, I just passed the accident, right? It was like a 10-car pileup, and I seen a truck. He was in the back. You know, the truck that delivers the Dunkin' Donuts. And I'm thinking to myself, like, one advice I can give the drivers is don't follow too close. So I'm saying, nowadays I see a lot of drivers, like, they're so eager to get to where they need to go that they follow too close. You know, when I'm going to a stop, I go slow. I work fast, but I go slow when I'm driving. You know what I'm saying? Going slow is the only way I know. You know what I mean? You got to give yourself enough time to react if something goes wrong in front of you. You see what I'm saying? Like, for instance, see how I got my phone on me, my camera on me, but I'm always looking straight ahead to see what's going on, like way in front of me. I even drive my car like I'm driving a truck. I give myself plenty of space. Give myself enough time to react. You gotta leave yourself out, man. You gotta keep your eyes moving. You know what I mean? Gotta keep your eyes moving. You never know what's gonna happen in front of you. You know what I'm saying? If I see a pileup in front of me right now, I'm gonna have enough time to make up my mind to do what I gotta do. Either I'm gonna swing out into the other lane, either I'm gonna pull off the highway and come to a complete stop. Either I'm gonna come to a complete stop right here, which is not a good idea. But that give me enough time to react, to make a reaction. Now, if I was following too close, then I would have been in the pileup also. You know what I'm saying? Gotta truck it smart, guys. Gotta drive smart. You know? You're driving a truck, you're not driving a car. You know what I mean? It's time to start being professional truck drivers out here, man. Time to start being professionals. Time to start taking your job seriously. It's gonna catch up to you, trust me. It'll definitely catch up to you. You know? Nowadays with these new cameras, yo, let me tell you something about these new cameras. These 2020 drive cams, it's no joke. It's picking up on everything. It's even picking up if you come to a four-way stop sign and you don't come to a complete stop, it's picking that up. If you run a red light, it's picking that up. Following too close, it's picking that up. Picking up everything, man. It's almost like, you know, drive cam have its good and its bad. At first, it used to bother me, but I don't let it bother me no more. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I feel some type of way I feel some type of way just to know that somebody can sit in the office and watch your every move that you make while you're driving. You know what I'm saying? But yo, Y'all just take it easy on the road. Take it nice and slow. Don't follow too close. And just do the right thing out there, guys. Just do the right thing. You know what I mean? You gotta treat your license like it's a Class A. Stop treating your license like it's just a regular license. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate everybody that's subscribing to my channel. Channel been growing, man. You know I can't go live until March 15th, and I'm hoping to have 3,000 subscribers by then. I'm 60 away, y'all. So if this is the first time you're watching my videos, just make sure to go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It ain't easy for a local trucker to get subscribers, man, because I'm gonna be honest with you, like, people don't want to hear what a local trucker got to say. You know, people don't want to hear about that. But I just try my best to give out some good information, some good positive information. I try to keep it real, especially in food service. I try to keep it 100. You feel me? I gotta get me a new phone thing. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all take it easy out there.